All right, you guys. So this is the kitchen witch reaching out, and I am making some banana bread, and I'm gonna do a little collective, okay? I got my 3 bananas mashed up right here. I got my butter, my unsalted butter. I have my baking soda, my little cups for measurement, and then a little bit of sea salt that I might use, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use too much of that. I probably won't. I have my ground cinnamon, my vanilla. I'm gonna add, just to be a little different, add a little bit of butter extract, and then add a little bit of maple in there, some ground cinnamon. Instead of the white sugar, I'm gonna use brown sugar, okay? So just stay tuned, I'll be back. I'm gonna set everything up so that way you guys can join in and learn at the same time, if for those that actually like banana bread. And these are actually some different types of grapefruit that grow on the tree in the backyard. And these are ripe now, so. And there you can see the plantains as well, and then my pan for my pan. All right, so stay tuned, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, as you can see, I've added my cinnamon and my baking soda to my flour. And then I have a cup of brown sugar. A lot of people use white sugar, but I like to use brown sugar. And then I am gonna add some vanilla extract to my butter. You see my butter over there? I'm gonna put my butter and my sugar. I'm gonna put all that together. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of that maple and a little bit of that butter and a pinch of salt, like grandmothers used to say back in the day, a smidgen. So I'm just gonna use a smidgen. So I'll be right back. I have 2 cards for today that I'm going to actually do a collective on. And this is basically called Singles and Relationships Oracle. And this is basically for what's holding you back, okay, or what's blocking you. This is also regarding romance and love. So we're gonna find out what these 2 cards mean, and I will be right back. The Kitchen Witch is back with the finished product of the banana bread. I wanted to share this with you guys just to let you see how delicious this looks and how good this came out. The taste test is coming up with my little granddaughter, Lyra, Princess Lyra. She's going to taste. Look at that. Wait a minute, you guys. I have to put this butter on here because it's really no good taste of some banana bread without some good butter to give it that extra moist taste. Wow, look at that. We'll be right back with the taste tester. All right, you guys, so here is the cut slice for my granddaughter. She's in her phone. She's getting ready to taste this, she's very honest, okay? So she's my little cancer baby, so I'm definitely gonna have her taste a piece of this banana bread. You're gonna taste it from there? Are you gonna bite it from there? Because that's hot. How is it? When she doesn't say anything, that means it's good. Is it good? How good is it?
100%.
100%? Oh my God. You guys see that? That's the banana bread. Love and light, you guys. Stay tuned for more with the Kitchen Witch. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, you guys, as I did say that I would be back to do the collective on the 2 cards that I chose for today. And the first one is what's blocking you. And this one right here talks about fated to be alone. And you give up on love because you think you are meant to be alone, and it's not true. A lot of times people think because they're not in a relationship or it's taken them a long time to get into a relationship that they are fated to be alone, and that's not true. It's the wait. The wait is what's the most important, because when you're patient and when you're waiting, during that time that you're patient and you're waiting, you're working on yourself and you're working on your flaws and you're working to better yourself for the person that's meant to come into your life. Sometimes the universe can put us in a position to where we are forced to actually acknowledge what we need to change among ourselves, okay? So this one right here is you're not fated to be alone. You gave up on yourself, not just love, but you gave up on yourself because you think you are meant to be alone, and that is definitely not true, okay? Now, this is something that you actually need to work on, and this is something that may resonate with some of you that's watching this video today. It's not just about the banana bread, but it's also about you working on yourself. This talks about voids. Now, some people rush to get into relationships because they want to fill a void with love or what they think is love, just to seek someone to be in that space because they feel empty and they feel alone. But you have to seek inner fulfillment first. That is something, like I said, the universe can put you in a position where you are forced to work on yourself. But some people don't want to do that. They just feel like they need to fill that empty space so that way they can feel whole. This is something that someone needs to work on. Someone that's watching this video right now, that's something that you need to work on. All right? Love and light to you guys. And I will see you again next time. Bye.